If your printer shows up as offline or your PC just can't find it at all, it is almost always a connection or driver issue, so not a broken printer. So let's see what we can actually do. First of all, let's see the basics of the driver fixes. Just make sure the printer is powered on, really important, and if it's wired, that the USB or the network cable is firmly connected on both ends. If it's wireless, confirm it's connected to the same Wi-Fi. It's going to be really important to choose the actual Wi-Fi. That means not XT, not 5G. It has to be exactly the same one. Now, if the wireless confirms it's connected to the same network as your computer, a lot of not connecting issues are already just two devices on different networks. So turn the printer off, wait about 10 seconds, then turn it back on, restart your PC, and this clears out temporary connection glitches onto both ends and fixes surprising numbers of printer issues on its own. So now let's run the printer troubleshooter just in case this actually didn't work. So go to your settings of your computer. Inside here, I'm going to go for system. Inside system, scroll all your way down and look for the element that says troubleshoot. Here you want to look out for other troubleshooters and run the one from the actual element that says printer. So I go for run, and as you can see, we have now this new element that we'll be checking for automatically checks the actual connection drivers and the print spool services from common problems. Sometimes if you don't have the help center from Microsoft Word, it will be giving you the actual installation process, and the actual application will be helping you with this element. Now let's go to restart the print spooler. So what I'm going to be doing here is to search for services into my start menu. So inside here, let's go for services. Here we go. Find the print spooler into the actual list that you should be seeing directly inside here. This service manages all your print jobs, and restarting it clears out any stuck or frozen, which is going to be really helpful. So for example, let's say that this service is this one, right? So right click into it and look for the element that says restart, and you're good to go. Now, something else that we can do is to set it as your default printer. If you go into your settings, you go into Bluetooth and devices, you go for printers and scanners that you should be seeing directly inside here. You wanted to look out for your printer device, select this and look out for the element that says look out for, I believe it's called set as default when you hit into managed inside there. So let's go for setting your preferred default printer, and you're good to go. If nothing else works, you want to remove the actual printers completely from the same printers and scanner pages, like this, remove. And then what you can do is to hit once again for add device and let Windows detect it automatically. So reinstall this from scratch, which is going to be appearing directly inside here. And there we go. This usually will be solving the actual problem. And if you have more specific questions of your printer, what I can totally suggest you is to open a new tab into your browser, and directly inside here you wanted to type the actual the brand of your printer, and you can be looking out for the support section of the printer, so you can be looking out for more questions about which is the actual problem with this specific printer that you currently have. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.